Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2014 Ford Focus Trend sedan. Stock reference number 4122. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has undercarriage damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand halogen headlight, left hand halogen headlight, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Park sensor type rear bar cover. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. You have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heated controls. Factory single stack CD player. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.